What's good? It's the kid from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. Yo, and in today's video, we're gonna dive into a question that I get a lot. And that question is, how do I grow my own food? Or better yet, how can you grow your own food? Now, this is a fantastic question. And I want to share some easy steps to get you started on your journey to becoming a homegrown food enthusiast, aka a hyperlocal grower, baby. But don't worry, this isn't about becoming like a gardening expert or nothing like that. It's about enjoying the process and the fruits of your labor, literally. So, first thing that we'll do, I'm gonna just show you where I started. Right here, this used to be a small patch of soil. It's late fall, early winter, so it's not thriving right now. But this is where everything kind of started, and this is how you can start and grow your own food too. I mean, I'm kind of an extremist. I love to do things on a massive level and do everything at once. But for you, I'm going to be honest, man. My mistake is I did not start small. So I would like for you to probably start small. You don't need a big backyard or acres of land, a simple balcony, a patio, even some pots by the windowsill. That'll do the trick. In fact, many of my first crops, and a lot of times, they're actually grown in containers. So here are some of my containers. These containers house tomatoes, herbs, strawberries, flowers, small trees, everything. They don't take up much space and they're perfect for beginners or people just starting out. Next, you got to choose the right plants. I have over 1,500 different varieties. You probably don't. And even if I didn't, I would want to choose the plants that are beginner friendly and suit my taste. So if you love salads, try growing some leafy greens like spinach and arugula. And if you're a fan of fresh herbs, basil, mint, thyme, rosemary, they are grow those tailored to what you like to eat in your taste buds. Next, this right here. Understand the basic care. And we got to talk about care. See, people say that plants are like pets, but I say plants are like people. They need a bit of attention. You need to water them regularly, stay hydrated, make sure they get enough sunlight, vitamin D, energy conversion, carbs, sugars, and a good quality soil. But remember, you don't need a green thumb. You just need to learn a few basics. If you've made it this far, somebody probably took care of you, or else you've taken care of yourself. Now we're just going to do it better. Watering is major. Watering is simple. You don't want to drown them, but you don't want to let them get too thirsty either. It's all about finding a balance for that plant. Next, experience is absolutely on your side. A lot of people don't grow their own food because they think they're going to kill everything. But growing your food is a journey of trial and error. You've got to embrace the learning process. You might face some challenges, but that's part of the fun. Each mistake's actually a lesson, and with each lesson, you become a better hyper local grower. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. I've had my fair share of ups and downs, but every obstacle taught me something valuable, and it's all part of the adventure. It is a mindset thing. For me, when I grow something, I tell myself, yo, you got to prove to me that you ain't gonna grow planting, partner. So anyway, we'll get to that later. So in conclusion, there you have it. It's a brief guide on how to grow your own food, the way that I do, and hopefully it helps you. Now remember, you don't have to be an expert at this. It's about taking small steps, enjoying the process, and savoring the delicious rewards. So I hope this video encourages you to give it a try. If you have any questions or you want more tips, leave them in the comments below. And as always, happy growing. You know who I am. I'm the God Mag, baby. And remember, I got love for those who got love for me. Much love from the middle of the map. That's where I'm at. Peace.